Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Banja, and on behalf of ZIDO volunteers here in Zanzibar, I first want to say thank you very much to all donors for your support here in Zanzibar, especially during Ramadan. Today, I'm here especially to tell all the donors that Ramadan is coming soon. After 2 months, we are going to Ramadan. So we would like to ask you if you are ready to give your donation or your sadaqah, please do it in order to give a time to ZIDO volunteer to do their work, pack, loading and unload and distribute to the poor people or special needs. Thank you.
My name is Mohammed Makam Ramadan. We as ZIDO volunteer, we are ready to pack, load, unload all the stuff that will be packed for Ramadan and distribute to all poor people who need in Zanzibar. Thank you.